Interrupted with the Python39 DLL blocking your software workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. This DLL file is the foundational library for Python 3.9. It contains the interpreter and built-in modules required to run modern Python applications, supporting high-level data structures and efficient script processing on PC. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The Python39.dll belongs to the Python interpreter application bundle and is unique to that software. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of Python interpreter will restore this file along with its related binary components. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the Python39 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install the Python39.dll into directories where it does not natively belong. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for the Python39. If your workstation is back online and Python interpreter is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.